It's 4 in the morning and we're going to Shasta. This is my cousin Lizzie.
Hi, pretty. Yeah!
Guess who we sent to the back? On the way to Lake Shasta. No, where are we going?
We're going to Mount Shasta.
We're going to Dunsmuir.
Dunsmuir?
We're going to Hedge Creek Falls. Shasta is going to give you a little bit of a taste in just a bit. It's kind of quick.
They're not listening to you at all. Did you do super zoom?
Why did you super zoom? Because it's beautiful.
We start our adventure! Oh gosh. Hedge Creek Falls! The train!
Perfect.
There we go. Nice. Yeah! High five. Waterfall number 2. Upper Falls. Where are we?
This is Lower Falls.
Uh-oh. A wild animal. Oh my god. Anything for Instagram. What's next?
Burney Falls.
I guess you could say we're spending a weekend at Burney's. No one cares. Oh, 22 feet, we can swim.
Oh, good. It's only 42 to 48 degrees.
Great. Wow. This is huge. We're in California, right? All this. I like. All that. Honestly, it reminds me of the road to El Dorado. That's where the gold is. My dad, he's making us do 30 seconds of silence. But I finished my 30 seconds. And my mom and I are tired of being quiet.
Namaste.
We're just staring at the waterfall. It's still very beautiful. Second day. Weather is a lot different because it's so rainy. What are we doing today?
Breakfast.
Let's start with breakfast. Lily.
I'm not going to be putting any chains or anything.
I am Lily.
Rain doesn't stop us from adventures.
Yes.
Where are we going? To drink water. What? What's the story here?
This water has been filtering for the last 50 years.
What?
So the water that's coming out right now is water that landed on the mountain 50 years ago.
Yeah.
Oh boy. Oh, double points. Oh! What happened?
They said it's got the lava. Look at this. Look. Water inside. See?
Now that we're all dry. Almost all dry.
One is wet, one is dry.
You have a blanket on? We're gonna drive up Mount Shasta?
Mount Shasta.
Oh, look at the big old Christmas trees. Snow line. Oh yeah. More snow.
Oh, this is it. This is the end of the road.
No! Are these sleds for anybody? Oh no! Snow sled graveyard. Found this sled. Don't fall. Okay. Okay. Here we go. No! Woohoo! We got coffee because it's raining and it's so cold. Where's Mount Shasta?
Behind it.
Behind that? Whoa. We finally made it home. I drove the last 3 hours. Bye!